Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. I'm at Home Depot and the plants are coming in for Easter and for spring. We have lilies, we have hydrangeas, and we have huge baskets of geraniums here at $15.98. And look at the colors. Some really gorgeous shades. The reds are stunning, and look at the beautiful oranges. If you're an orange lover like me, orange geraniums look great. But my favorite right now is this one. I am so tempted to take one of these home because I love, love, love the color. And look at this one. Look at the shades on that. The iridescence is stunning on that one too. So there's two that I'd like to take home. And of course we have barbecues, but check out all the rest of the plants. I noticed the soil is coming in and some of the shrubs are coming in as well. So here are the hydrangeas. Always see hydrangeas at Easter. Some of these look better than others. Probably been here, I would say, a week. We have bleeding hearts that are in stock. We have lots of salvias here and baskets of lilies. More salvias. Salvias can take a bit of cold, but I don't think I'd want to put them out for at least another couple weeks here in Saskatchewan in our zone 3B4. But look at the lilies. We have all sorts of different colors of lilies here. Different shades of orange for the holidays. There's your salvias. This is Salvia Salute White. Down here, we have more lilies, lots of lilies. I'm actually surprised by how many lilies are in already. We have dianthus here. Oops, that one don't have a tag. This one does. And this is just the garden pink. So these are good in the zones 3s and up. They do very well. We have also down here upright stone crops. Ooh, daylilies in here. These are just the plain hybrid ones. And we have more dianthus here. Beautiful. And then we have some ornamental grasses. Check it out. Catmint, nepeta, right here. And this is, drum roll please, Persian blue, purple blue. And I don't know about you, but I have to smell it. Wonderful. Now that brings back spring to me. Let's go have a look at what else we have here. There are so many plants in. It's amazing. I'm going to walk the aisle here and show you what we have. So we'll start over here on the other side of that rack. We have our pansies here that are coming in. You can see them. And these are 2 for $8.88. Just gotta keep an eye on my purse because I'm walking away from it. Hostas, guacamole, mojito. They look really good. Mojito, yellow river, if you haven't seen that one. Yellow river, that's right. Yellow edges. Aurora marginata, yellow edges. Baby's breath here. Gypsophilia. And we have bugleweed. Oh, that's pretty, you guys. The camera makes it look brighter than what it is, but it's a pretty dark purple. More hostas, big hostas down here. This is just a hybrid. Let's see what the tag says, because those tags in the pots are very generic. This is another yellow edges. Guacamole. So those seem to be the standard ones that they have in. Let's walk a little bit more. I'm just gonna go back. I'll do these back aisles, then I'll come up again because I have my purse sitting here. We have herbs, parsley, dill. On the top here, we have Manchurian lilacs. We have tomatoes, basils, more pansies. Lots of baskets of pansies. They need their flowers picked, but the leaves look pretty good. These are your choice for $12.98. Nice bowls. I call these bowls because they don't have a strap on them. Perfect for Easter for color. Up at the top here, we have mandevilla, individual plants. Look at that pansy. Isn't that face striking? They're so happy. They're a happy plant. Okay, we're gonna go back and then we're gonna come around again. You can see all the patio furniture in. Lots of grays, lots of beiges, tans, more. These geraniums look really good here in the containers. Same price, $15.98. Same colors. More dianthus here. We have Odessa with white edges. And of course our grasses. And then we have the English violas here. This is called Elan. Okay, I'm gonna go back around and we're gonna show you the rest. And we have flats of geraniums here on sale. They're just seed geraniums, whites. You can see the tags there. And they're gonna be all different colors. For a 6-pack of geraniums, you're looking at $7.98. So if you didn't grow any geraniums and you love having some in your containers and your hanging baskets, you're getting 6 for $7.98, so not bad. And just so you guys know, plants are not affected by the tariff wars that are going on. So we're good here in Canada on that, and we're good in the USA on that. It's not an issue. They're excluded from that at this time. I don't want to eat my words later and things change, but I want to give you information if you're asking, because we're okay. All right, we have Pink Kiss dianthus here. Aren't they sweet? And you know, I can't tell you looking at them what we're looking at for a zone on these. I would have to spend some time, look it up. Let's see if it says here. No, it just says the spacing and stuff. I don't see where it shows the zone. That's okay, but lots of grasses. There's your lilacs, Miss Kim. So that's the Manchurian lilac. Let's keep going. Oh, peonies. We have peonies, people. Look at the peonies. And we have, oh, pink. Pink. That's very descriptive, but we have peonies. I think that's funny. The lilacs are 2 for $20. And I'm assuming the peonies are about the same. Otherwise, 2 for $20. Otherwise, the lilacs are $19.98. And the peonies are $19.98. And my pants are falling down and my crack is showing. That is not cool. You might see my fingers a little bit on this video. I'm multitasking, pushing a cart and trying to shoot video, so excuse my fingers, but I'll be honest, shit happens. Okay, beard's tongue. These are nice big plants here. And this is pale lavender, pearl, and onyx. Lots of them looking good. More peonies. We have red peonies here. Red, red, red. Lots of red. Over here is the geraniums again. I'm darn well gonna get 2 of those geraniums, you guys. I'm a sucker. Oh, but I really love them. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, look. This is cool. 2 colors in the pot. Look at that. So I only need one. Win. That's a win. All right. And let's look at these little hydrangeas again. Now the things about these hydrangeas is these hydrangeas are not for our climate, but they make for a great houseplant, and you would have to put them out in the summer. I would leave them in a container, up their container size, put them out, feed them, enjoy them on your deck or patio, unless you're in a zone probably 6 up, maybe even higher, and then bring them inside for the winter. But I always feel like hydrangeas are something that, you know, we enjoy at Easter, and I enjoy the colors because they're all just so beautiful, but I don't want them spent. So how do we pick a hydrangea in a container? We don't want ones that are like this. We want ones like this. Oh, and they've just been watered. The buds are just opening and they're just starting to color. We want to check the leaves really good. Check underneath because there is some damage, but I'm betting it's frost damage. I'm just looking for pests. So these are good ones to get, but pick them like this or like this, even better. If you can see the color that you want, that is the way to go. So you want to go through them big time. Like for instance, I like, oh, that pot's split. Careful taking this down. Let's see if I can put it on the floor. I like this coloring, but you can see it's already far gone. There are some new shoots right there coming. So be very selective in how you pick them. Remember, they're acid-loving plants. So coffee grounds, leftover coffee, you can feed them with that. They love it. Pot them up, put some coffee grounds in the soil of these, and feed them all the time to keep them blooming. And don't freeze them. Like a soft pink would be nice for Easter too. And I mean, that one is absolutely glorious, but you see there's some frost on it. We see some big signs of frost there in those leaves. Let me see. Yeah. So you want to watch for that. So go through them if you're picking them at Home Depot or wherever you're buying them, and give them some love when you get them home. Water from the bottom. You want to put them on a big saucer and let it suck up. See, this one is looking not as bad as the rest, but the flowers are starting to go. There is new shoots coming there. So you'd enjoy these for a few days. Get rid of damaged leaves like this. Double check the undersides for any sort of aphids or anything, and enjoy. But if you find a good one, you're well on your way. So that's it, and I'm gonna leave you with the hydrangeas for color to enjoy for Easter because they're so dang pretty. Thanks everybody. I have bonus footage for you over in the houseplants where we have ranunculus. Now, doesn't that float your boat? Look at those vibrant colors after a cold white winter and a grayish brown spring. They are looking amazing. Look at this. Here's the yellow one just about to open. The white are really nice. And then we have more dianthus up here. And these are the Oscar Purple Star. Carnations actually is what it says. Full sun, blooms spring to summer. Height 8 to 10 inches, so these stay pretty small. I cannot read the zone on this, so just beware of those. But this is what's caught my eye. Just for a pop of color in the house would be beautiful, but those white, they float my boat. I love the green centers when they're just starting to open. Look at that. And then this is what they look like when they're completely open and starting to die off. Kalinkoi, we have that. Let's just go around the side here and see what else we got. Besides our usual house plants. These don't look very good. I think they're finished, so I'm not even gonna bother with them. And you can see all the house plants in. Not a bad selection. Not bad at all. Spider plants. I would like a small snake plant, but I want small. I don't want big. I like to grow them myself. So we have some here. They don't look the greatest. Staghorn ferns, cactus, lots of succulents, and that's about it. All right, now that is it for this video. Thanks everybody for watching. See you in the next one, and happy Easter.